Hi everyone, it's Lisa from A Simple Season. Today I'm going to show you a few simple summer drink recipes to beat the heat. They're easy recipes with easy ingredients, come together quickly, and they're all refreshing. So hopefully you'll stay tuned and give them a try. I'm going to start off by picking some herbs to make some fancy ice cubes. So I'm going to pick a few sprigs of thyme. This is just regular English thyme, and then over here this one is a lemon thyme. So this one has kind of a lemony sort of flavor. So I'm going to pick a few sprigs of that. And then I'm going to pick some mint as well. So here's our herbs that we've picked. So I have a little bit of mint, lemon, thyme, and regular thyme. So we're going to make some fancy ice cubes with these. I'm just putting some of the herbs in each section of the ice cube tray, and then I'm going to fill it up with water and put it in the freezer. So this drink is a honey lemon mint refresher. So I have a big handful of fresh mint here. If you don't have fresh mint, you can use tea bags. Just make sure to make the tea double strong. So I'm going to start by putting my mint leaves in my teapot. Then I'm going to add a few tablespoons of honey. And we're just going to let that steep until it's cool. So I'm going to put that in the fridge until it's nice and cold. So here's all the ingredients we're going to be using for our mint tea refresher. So we have our mint that's been sitting in the fridge all nice and cold, and we're going to pour that into a canister. And to that we're going to add the juice of 1 lemon and the zest of 1 lemon. And I think we'll give the glass a little something special. We'll take a lemon wedge and go all the way around, and then give it a nice little sugar rim. So it looks like that. And this is how our beautiful herb ice cubes turned out. So we're going to put a few of those in. And garnish it with a sprig of mint. And I call this one a Guava Sunset, and I'll show you what goes in it. This is about a ½ cup of guava juice, so I'm going to put that in. I'm going to squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. And then just top the rest off with some club soda. And this one's just a nice little grapefruit spritzer, so I'm going to start off with some ice. And we're just going to juice half a grapefruit. Pour that in. Top the rest off with some grapefruit San Pellegrino. a grapefruit wedge. So I hope you get to try one of these refreshing drinks, and thank you so much for joining in, and we'll see you next time.